Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you liked the last video. This is just a continue of the last video we made. So we're actually going to install this. If you liked the first video, that's brilliant. So we're at the car now we're just trying to figure out where we're going to put everything. So you got to figure out where you're going to put your module, all your lights and everything. So that's what we're doing. So the first light we're going to fit just underneath the glove box, just on that carpet bit. But I don't think the 3M double-sided sticky pad will stick to that carpet, so I have got another method of doing it. So I'll quickly get the carpet down and show you how I'm going to fit the first light. Right, I've taken the carpet out just to make it easy to film. So what I've done is made a couple of slits here for the length of the light there, so it'll go through. We'll still use the sticky 3M double-sided, but these tie wraps will secure it in. So I'll get that done and then we'll come back. So we've got this on now. You've seen what I've done, tightened it up. Now just snip those off, put the carpet back in. Right, the second one is actually going to go just behind here, just along here. I took the panel off here just to make things easy. So we're just going to get the light and put it just behind there, like so. So there we go, that's where I've put it, and I'm going to hope it's going to stick there. So we'll just switch it on and have a look. There we go. Right, so what we've done is we've got the wire, fed it through here so it doesn't get tangled up in the rail or anything, so it's better off being in this situation here. And what we're going to do is fit it on the bar here. If you can see it, just this bar here at an angle, like so, and then put a couple of tie wraps on it just to keep it secure. So we'll get that done and then I'll bring you back. So I've put it in, so if you can have a look, I've put on the end tie wraps here and secured the cable there. So this side's done, the driver side. Now just got to do one more, and that's on the passenger side. And there we go. I've just fitted the passenger side, so if you can just see it there. Did the same thing, put the tie wraps on just to keep it in place. Right, we've got the LEDs in. Now we've just got the joys of tidying up all the wiring. So I'll show you on one side, and I'll be using the same principle on all the others. So I'll video where I can, and yeah, let's get the wires in. So what I'm going to do is put this module just in here and stick it just to this panel here, and then you've got your infrared which will get stuck on here like so. I'll use double-sided, so you need that, and then you've got your power which will get fed, and then it'll sit in there. So I'll get that done and we'll come back. What I'm going to do is get a bit of Velcro. Right, put it around the wire like so, and that will stick to the carpet, so that won't fall down and you won't see the wires, so it'll just stick to the carpet. So I'll get that done, and I'm going to use the same principle on all of it. So let's get it all in and we'll have a look. So we've got it all installed, and let's have a look. Let's try a different colour. Yellow, orange, red, blue we already had, green, fading into colours. There's the lights, front passenger and the rear. If you like this video, give it the thumbs up and subscribe.